this opportunity on such a famous platform of conference named Diabetes and Endocrinology. And I'm thankful to all the organizing chairpersons for giving me this opportunity. Today, I'm going to speak about effect of Raja Yoga meditation on glycemic status and type 2 diabetes mellitus. So I think my previous speakers, they have very well explained what is diabetes, how many types, how can it be controlled? And one speaker from Pakistan has very well explained the mechanism, molecular biology of that. Today, I'm going to speak about Raja Yoga meditation, what it is. Actually, we all are aware of the fact as since before 1950s, communicable disease were plague and cholera, but after 1950, the non-communicable diseases like diabetes and obesity are roaring up. I think it's all over the world. What is diabetes? Diabetes is a disorder in which the body cell fail to intake up glucose from the blood. Wasting of tissue is seen as glucose-starved cells are forced to consume their own proteins. And individuals with diabetes lack the ability to use the hormone insulin. That's how it affects all the body parts, even eyes, your breath, gastric, urinary, respiratory, systemic, and central nervous system as well. Because how I can explain this, because I myself is a diabetic. And diabetes type 1, body stop making insulin because the body's immune system destroy the insulin producing cells in the pancreas. And people with diabetes type 1, diabetes need to take insulin injections every day. Although it can occur at any age, this type of diabetes occur more often in children and young adults. This type of diabetes is usually seen in adults who are overweight and less active. Due to obesity and inactive, this type of diabetes is increasing in children as well. So these are the recommendations like dietary therapy, physical therapy, pharmacotherapy. Weight loss and many controlled clinical trials have been carried out to determine the effect of weight loss on fasting blood glucose. Yoga has considered all aspects of diabetes. It's physical, emotional, and mental. Regular practice of yoga and controlled lifestyle reduces diabetes. Yoga helps achieve control over mind and behavior, and one can easily control food habit, changes lifestyle to reduce diabetes. Yoga has an important role to play in the treatment of diabetes. Yoga technique affect body internal organs, endocrine systems, gland, brain, mind, and other factors concerning body-mind complex. Various yoga technique can be practiced effectively to reduce the weight and achieve normal healthy condition of body and mind. These are few asanas which I'm going to discuss what it does, how these are helpful. So yoga positions or postures are especially useful to reduce the fats in various parts, especially forward bending, twisting, and backward bending asana help reduce the fat near abdomen, hips, and other areas. So what happens when there is a fat, central obesity, when there is a fat around the organs, the blood flow won't be there, and there won't be a proper hormone won't work properly. Also, the practice of asanas not only improve functioning of internal organs, strengthening heart, lung, kidneys, excretory, and reproductive organs. Regular practice builds strength in muscles. Asanas can be practiced with fast speed like exercise with good effect. The practitioner may increase repetition instead of maintaining the asana for long. It increases the blood circulations of vital organs, smooth rhythmic messages, massage to the internal organ. We hardly do massage of internal organ, but this posture helps in the rhythmic massage to the internal organs, balance of sympathetic and parasympathetic nervous system, equilibrium of mind, improve tolerance capacity, improve the compactness of the body, and decrease the stress. Now it's a proven fact. We all have seen during COVID. So this is Ardha Matsyendrasana Asana. What it does, it helps in the equilibrium of mind, improve tolerance capacity, improve the compactness of the body, decrease the stress. Paschimottanasana, Pavan Muktasana, Padmasana, supine posture, Sarvangasana. Sarvangasana means sarv means all. It's asana for all the body parts. Halasana, Bhujangasanas, Ardhashalbhasana, Matsyasana, Ardhachakrasana, Dhanurasana, and these asanas help in the proper blood circulation and also help in maintaining the diabetes. Sun salutation, that is also known as Surya Namaskar, is quite famous in India. And quite, I think Asian countries have also, many countries have started opting for this Surya Namaskar. The sequence of this asana that tones almost all the muscles and also internal organs are stretched, increasing blood and oxygen supply to these parts. Regular practice of sun salutation with breathing is good exercise for the lungs as well. This is like Nadi Shodhan. Right nostril breathing, stimulate blood glucose. Left nostril breathing, stimulate right cerebral hemisphere. Oxygen consumption, carrying capacity. Bhastrika stimulate pancreas. Surya Vilomanasana stimulates pancreas. Nadi Shuddha Pranayam balances hormonal regulation and nervous system. So what Bhramri does? Bhramri, the deep breath, soothes the nerves and calms the mind. Inhale through both nostrils, taking a slow deep breath in. Exhale through both nostrils, using the throat to make a soft E sounds, like the buzzing of a bee. Do 5 to 10 rounds, making the buzzing bee noise louder as you progress, but do not strain. Kapalbhati is quite famous during the COVID times. The breath of fire or the skull shining breath, invigorating, energizing and purifying. Kapalbhati is a very active post-exhalation with a passive inhalation. To exhale, the belly quickly pumps into the spine, forcing the air out of the nostrils. Place a hand on your belly to feel the belly actively pumping. Play with the tempo 45 to 60 exhalation, 30 seconds. Keep a steady rhythm. Start with 2 to 3 rounds of 30 exhalation. Gradually increase the exhalation if comfortable. So next comes the meditation, that is dhyana. What exactly Raj Yoga meditation is? Meditation may modulate the physiological response to the stress through neurohumoral activation, which may be a novel therapeutic target for the treatment. Before discussing about Raj Yoga meditation, I would like to give a brief description about a brief story. Like, as you all know, that among all living beings, humans have wonderful visible power, which can really do miracles. And this is the power of thought. The power of thought is the greatest form of energy. Electrical and magnetic energy are the example of physical energy, which is well known. The impact of thought energy is not only seen on matter, but also on human physiology. This impact becomes miraculous when power of thought, along with the power of imagination, to create some images with subtle eyes of mind, even that object is not being living. So it is kind of affirmations, like the kind of energy we are sending. The same thought, it's kind of, you can correlate with epigenetic effect also. So what happened in Raj Yoga meditation? Visualization plays a very important role. This will inform us about Raj Yoga meditation is going to change the scenario in fast, as all have the ability to heal with natural therapy. So this is the technique which shows about how to heal our body by ourselves. We are healers. In this pandemic, since we are facing from 2020, this healers are playing a major roles. So what happened in dhyana? Dhyana is a relaxation to body and mind, and reduction in the blood lactate level, reduction in blood sugar level, develops deep interval awareness, overcome stressful situation like EEG, we can see in alpha wave pattern and break. It also rejuvenates human being. This is the journal which shows about yoga practice for the management of type 2 diabetes mellitus in adult. This shows about, this is a systematic review. Our one group associated with us is doing the same study, and really, trust me, remarkable results have been noticed. The patients who came for a 7-day camp, and they were like kind of very relaxed, and their HbA1c level is under control. Their drugs quantity has been reduced. So we are doing this study and discussion in this, what happens, strong evidence that weight loss produced by lifestyle modification is much needed. Reduce blood glucose level, HbA1c in some patient with type 2 diabetes. Suggestive evidence that decreases in abdominal fat will improve glucose tolerance in overweight individual with impaired glucose tolerance, although not independent of weight loss. Limited evidence that increases cardiorespiratory fitness, improves glucose tolerance in overweight individuals with impaired glucose tolerance or diabetes, although not independent or weight loss. Suggestive evidence that weight loss induced by weight loss medication does not appear to improve blood glucose level any better than weight loss through lifestyle therapy in overweight people with or without type 2 diabetes. These are the table which shows the effect of meditations before and after the study. Even the hemoglobin has been increased. So conclusion of my study is, studies has shown that yoga can be helpful in controlling diabetes. Practicing lots of asana, pranayam, they enhance your memory, eyesight, concentration, and also bring down your excessive weight. It makes the digestive tract function smoothly and allow quick digestion of the food. And trust me, it really works. It is all about affirmations. If we are talking about affirmations, there has been one study by a Japanese scientist called Masaru Emoto. He has taken 2 glasses of water. It's just about thought. He has given vibration of love to one and vibration of hatred to another glass. And then those glasses were frozen. And they have seen the vibration in which love has been given. It is showing the diamond-like crystal. And the hatred was showing kind of distorted. So it is all about energy. Even now it's proven fact. Our soul, we all are made up of energy. So it's my just humble request. We have a healing power. So all individuals should wake up and help ourselves and entire universe in making everyone healthy. So thank you so much for your patience hearing. Have a great day to you, all of you.
Thank you very much.